Hi girls, here's how you're going to look for your auto greetings, how you're going to set it up. So dapat kapag meron ka ng agency, makikita mo yan dito sa agency at merong lalabas na ganito. Okay, so ibig sabihin nito may agency ka na. Okay, so we'll talk about first sa auto greetings. So how are you going to find your auto greetings? As you can see here, ito po ang ating auto greetings. Ayan. So, itatap mo lang yan at magkikreate ka ng iyong sariling content. Okay. So, meron akong dalawang content dito as you can see. However, if you would like to create one, okay, if you would like to create since bago ka pa lang, tap mo tong go to set greetings and content. Tapos, maglagay ka dito anything. Pwedeng, hi, are you available to chat with? Hi, my name is ganito. Then, mag-upload ka ng picture. Look for something attractive but not very vulgar para ma-approve siya. Tapos, kapag in-upload nyo na siya, ay mali. Pag in-upload nyo na siya, so of course, dito, submit for review. Ito siya, submit for review. So, after nun, pag active na siya at na-approve na ni admin, or for example, kapapasok mo pa lang, you have to let the admin know. Yung pong ating pong Partigo official GC, yun yung may logo ng ating Partigo app, dun po kayo magsasabi or mag-a-advise na pa-approve yung ating pong auto greetings. Kailangan makapagpa-approve kayo between 10 AM to 7 PM. Kasi 7 PM wala na tayong admin. Monday to Friday lang po ito. And then, once na active na siya at na-approve na katulad nito, kunwari may isa ka ng dalawa kang auto greetings na sinet, so kailangan mong gawin is i-press itong mga radio button na ito, nakikita ninyo, ayan. Kailangan may ganito siyang yellow na check mark. Tapos, kung ano yung napili mo doon, i-activate mo naman ang iyong auto greetings. Okay, yan. So, kailangan ma-activate mo siya. Ganito lalabas, auto greetings has been enabled. So, just an advice, if you're not using your auto greetings, kunwari nagsawa ka na mag-chat or mag-receive ng mga chats from users, turn off mo yung iyong auto greetings. Kasi po, ang tendency niyan, kapag napabayaan mo ang iyong auto greetings, ito po yung mangyayari sa'yo. Wait. So, hold on. Nasaan na yun? Give me a minute. Okay. Ayun, ito. So, makikita mo dito. Your auto greetings today did not meet. So, makakancel yung auto greetings mo. So, kahit i-open mo siya, possibility is wala kang ma-receive na message from auto greetings. Or, hindi na magsisend ng messages si auto greetings like here. Okay. And then, magmamanual ka na lang dito sa ating newbie list or premium newbie list. So, bahala ka kung saan mo gustong mag-greet or mag-send ng messages. Okay? So, again guys, messages, pwede kang mag-send ng paid photos here. Like for example, this one. Press mo lang tong plus button sa baba. Ito yung paid photo natin. Bahala ka mag-set kung magkano ang isi-set mo. Again, hindi pwedeng sobrang ma-showy ng flesh or ng skin. Bawal yun. So, bahala kung magkano may set. Okay? Much better kung sa loob ka ng room magpapasend ng iyong gift rather than sa chat box kasi 70% lang yung magiging earnings mo rito. Pwede ka rin mag-request ng gift here. Ayan, no? Tap nyo lang. Tapos, send request. Yun na yun. Okay? So, right now, yun lang naman for our auto greetings and messages.